Well, the river's up a bit after it rains. A bit of beach on shore. All the stones are underwater there. Let's have a look what we're going to find down here today. A bit of blue and white. Plain. That's just plain again. What's that bit? Bit of tile. Bit of RP. Let's just see what's down at the water's edge. Just playing again. Bit of RP. Nothing on there today, so I'll go and have a look on the other side. Well, let's see what we can find on this side. I'll bring you back when I find something. What's the base of the pot? A little bit with some purple on. Oh. For once I've got all my ducks in a row. Well, there you go. That piece, look. They're dropping. Oh, on both sides and all. There's a cup. Ball. Not all that much on here. Bit of a door ball, proving ball. Always find this stuff. Not very many bits down the river today, so that's the collection from both sides. Base of a bowl, a vase, no markings on it that I can see, and a little bit of dough ball, proving bowl, mixing bowl, base of another little vase, pot, again no markings on it. Probably a little bit of willow, and a little bit of something purplish. Again, probably more willow, might even be Asiatic, but you can never tell from a piece of that. Again, base of a dish, plate, a little bit of blue and white stripe, and most colourfulest piece, a bit on both sides. Again, on the edge of a bowl, I don't think it's edge of a cup.